pretty much the same way I packed it. It's out of box. Okay, so at least it has the box. Making noises. I don't understand why. But this is a 10-year-old toy, so got the brush. Now you have to change the batteries in here. There's also a tab somewhere you gotta pull. So, see, it says how to change the batteries. The batteries have not been changed. So what we will do is change the batteries. Looks a lot more used than being brand new. See how dirty the wheels are? Looks like they played with it and broke it. See the wheels? How dirty they are? This is brand new in a box toy. Why would the wheels be so dirty? Playing with it and broke it. Okay, take the video off. Let them change it. Here's the returned Zuzu pet that the lady returned because she wouldn't put new batteries in it. It's a 10-year-old toy. Whoa, there it goes. Take it off. Whoa. There he goes. Whoa. Go. Whoa, it's going nuts. That's so funny. Oh, he just keeps going. Come back over here. Put new batteries in, that's all. Put new batteries in. Yeah, he's just gonna keep going. Oh, he crashed himself. I don't even know how to turn him off.